we're breaking down 5 AI tools that can actually help you as a sysadmin finally stop working overtime. If you feel like you're just constantly putting out fires and literally running out of hours in the day, well, this is exactly what you need. We're going to look at some seriously fascinating workflows today. Section 1, the SysAdmin dialogue. You know the drill, right? Password resets, network troubleshooting, writing and then debugging the exact same scripts over and over again. Throwing constant monitoring, emergency patching, and of course, that never-ending queue of tickets. When you process all of this by hand, it just eats your entire day. It leaves zero bandwidth for any actual strategic infrastructure planning. But there's a clear way out. Today, we're looking at 5 specific AI-powered tools designed to help you work smarter, definitely not longer, by reclaiming your time. The whole goal of this explainer is to show you exactly how to pull that off. Section 2, automating infrastructure and support. Tool number 1 is Kubia AI. Now, the traditional approach means manually writing these really complex infrastructure commands or deployment scripts, which is incredibly time-consuming and, let's face it, highly prone to syntax errors. With Kubia AI, though, you just describe the task in plain English. The AI acts as your translator, instantly executing the infrastructure workflow based purely on what you intended to do. Moving on to number 2, we've got Atera AI. Instead of completely drowning in that repetitive Tier 1 workload every single morning, Atera brings AI-powered IT automation directly into the mix. It actively assists with routine support tasks and basic troubleshooting, basically acting as a first line of defense for your inbox. Section 3, streamlining telemetry and patching. Coming in at number 3 is Datadog Watchdog. This one is absolutely crucial because, as you know, server problems rarely happen quietly. They generate thousands of telemetry signals all at once, creating this massive flood of data that causes instant alert fatigue for anyone trying to process it manually. Honestly, manually digging through all those logs, it's like looking for a needle in a digital haystack, except the haystack is currently on fire. Watchdog does all the heavy lifting here. It continuously analyzes the monitoring data, instantly highlighting any unusual behavior and pointing you straight to those root cause signals. It all really boils down to this core philosophy: less searching, more troubleshooting. Your valuable time should be spent actually fixing the outage, rather than just trying to hunt down where it is. Tool number 4 is Ninja One, and this one tackles patch management, pushing updates across a massive network without breaking critical dependencies. Yeah, that is easily one of the highest stress balancing acts a sysadmin has to face. Ninja One's workflow completely changes that dynamic. It starts by generating AI-powered insights, which immediately help your team accurately prioritize vulnerabilities. This kind of context really empowers you to make rapid, secure patching decisions across your entire fleet. Now, the true goal here isn't just to blindly automate every single update, right? Because blind automation is exactly how massive outages happen. The real goal is intelligent decision-making. It's about using AI to make smarter decisions way faster. Section 4, transforming everyday workflows. And that brings us to number 5, Microsoft PowerToys Advanced Paste. Honestly, this is absolutely essential if you frequently wrestle with messy logs, unformatted JSON, or really complex configuration data. Standard pasting usually means just dropping raw, messy clipboard content into an editor and then spending, 5 minutes writing regex just to clean it up? Advanced Paste actually uses AI to instantly transform that clipboard content into formatted, highly useful structures directly on the fly. The daily benefits of this are just immense. Less copying, less manual formatting, and way less repetitive cleanup. It's this tiny operational change, but it removes a massive amount of friction from your day-to-day. Section 5, the intelligent sysadmin. So here's the real lesson from all of this. AI isn't going to replace the best sysadmins, no way. But a sysadmin who actually knows how to leverage these AI tools, they will completely outperform someone who still insists on doing everything manually. It is entirely about leverage. Think of this as the AI workflow manifesto. First, automate the repetitive work so you can finally breathe. Second, use AI for rapid investigation to cut right through the noise. And third, always keep humans in control of the important decisions. AI is your assistant, you always remain the architect. It all leads up to this: stop working overtime and start working intelligently. The tools are literally right here, right now to make that a reality. So, I want to leave you with this thought. If you suddenly saved 15 hours a week by letting AI handle your tickets and telemetry, what massive infrastructure project would you finally have the time to actually build? Let me know which of these 5 tools you're going to try first down in the comments. Make sure to follow Vimas Tech for more practical AI workflows designed specifically for IT professionals.